from beautiful Alabama. Today is a beautiful day to go flying. So we're going to take out old tried and trusted little airplane here, except for when it decides it wants to self-eject the wings. Oh no! Yes, the T720. So let's go fly and have some fun. Alright, and welcome back to the channel. That's right, got the old T720. Now, I'm not sure if you can still buy this. I know Buddy Hobby sold them, and I got this one off of Amazon. I'll leave a link down below if I can find this. Hopefully you can, because I've had people ask me what's a good training aircraft, and this really is. If you look at where this prop is up higher, that's really great, because if you take a crash landing, if you come down, you know, you hit the nose, you're not going to break a prop or, you know, a motor, stuff like that. These wings, the tail, all that's designed to pop off. Not in flight like it did, but you know, if you hit the ground, they're designed to pop off to take an impact. So relatively inexpensive way to get in the hobby. I believe it's like 90 bucks or so, and it's actually been pretty good. I mean, this is the exact plane that fell out of the sky and bounced off the ground, and I bought some new wings, and here we are. So let's go ahead and get a battery in this thing and have some fun. Fun little hand toss there. Let's come down here low. Oh wow, man, yeah, she's trimmed up high. As soon as I take my well, let's do this again. Yeah. Oh, almost hit that damn weather station. That would not would have been good. Let's move up a little bit. Uh-oh, I don't think this bird likes my plane. This thing is so easy to fly. So if you're looking for a good beginner plane, and this is something that you know you could take it out of like right now I have it into the safe mode. You could take it out of that and do some acrobatic stuff. Man, it's such a calm day out here. I kind of wish now I would have brought the jet. I tell you what, man, when I first started flying, Jeff brought me out here and we worked on, now I can't think of the name of the plane. But the landing gear broke on it. He'd taken off and we were out here belly landing. I tell you, it was fun. I actually kind of enjoyed it. It's, to me, a lot easier just to belly land in the grass because then you don't have like a landing gear to snag or anything like that. And, you know, just makes it a bit easier. It's one less thing to break. You're not going to break a landing gear because you don't have one. Just like this, I don't have any battery monitor really to let me know. There's no telemetry in the aircraft to let me know if the battery, so it's just going to kind of go kaput. So then it will drop. So the nice thing is you don't really have to set up to land. I mean, you might be in a bad spot over something when it does it, but yeah, I think you know if you want to get into planes and you've never flown before, this is a good it's a good option for you. We got some people coming. I'm gonna have to tighten this up a little bit here, but not a problem. Hope you guys are enjoying watching the little plane fly. It is fun, man. This is fun to get into different aspects of the hobby. Oh, the bugs are out. I'm gonna have to get my net. It's a pretty maneuverable little plane. You can fly this in some pretty tight spots. But yeah, this is quite relaxing. I mean, I was really nervous in the beginning because I kept these trees kept grabbing my damn plane. But you know, now that I've been doing it a while, worked with Jeff, I come out here, it's pretty relaxing. And people like planes. You know, if I was out here flying drones, people hate drones. People love seeing an airplane go. Yeah, I think that trim was a little bit, because it's just wanting to climb. I got to adjust that. Yeah, I haven't even been using any rudder. This thing already turns pretty fast without rudder. If I hit rudder, woo, jeez. That to me, it looks like a goose. So I think I'm gonna land this thing and, ooh, get my bug net on. I hate ending on not so smooth landing, but that wasn't bad. I was just kind of in a rush to get it down because, man, these flies are like getting and biting me. So there you go. Had a fun day with the T720. Jeff's not here yet. He should be coming soon, and then I'll be busting out the SMS Cessna. Look at all the flies. Look at these things. Sheesh. It's crazy. But yeah, so I'll have a little bit more. I even brought the Lozi. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. I even brought the Lozi Pro Motor for him to drive. Unfortunately, I think the Spectrum batteries are letting me down because I wanted to make sure wheelie mode was wheelie mode. It ran for about a minute and died. So I'm hoping my second Spectrum battery is actually going to work. Really not a fan of those batteries. I like them in the airplanes because I get the telemetry, but now I'm kind of nervous because I have Spectrum battery for that Cessna. I hope it doesn't let me down. All right, everyone. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in that plane. There's other links down below for Amazon and other things. So if you're shopping around, buying some RC stuff, check out the links down below. Have you discount codes, and please use one of my affiliate links. Helps me buy this stuff to bring you the content. Holy moly, these flies are aggressive. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Like, shares, comments appreciated. Stay safe. Go get you a plane. Have some fun. Do whatever. Just enjoy the RC hobby. All right, take care. See you next one. Thanks for watching.